Okay, it's day 8 on the cruise Sunday. Time is now about 7:10 a.m. Hi folks.
I made a fantastic discovery with my long shot this morning. It's the end of the tour on the boat for us. We're now in port, refusing to get off so that we can stay another couple of hours, and straight from here we go to the airport. Then we fly to Minneapolis, Alvin's home, scheduled for a Chinese dinner tonight in Minneapolis, and 2 days later we'll fly off to the Big Apple. See you.
Me? Enjoy?
Yeah, great. The weather is nice. I'll stay here. Nice stuff to see.
Yep.
Things you don't see back home.
And this is the view outside our balcony now.
Ooh.
Oh, water is so calm and beautiful.
That one looks like Singapore.
Oh, is it?
The port.
That's Seattle. We're already docked, but we still got to get breakfast and then we can go off at 9+. Because by 9:45 they're chasing everybody out.
That's right.
Our last breakfast or meal on this ship before we get off. There's breakfast buffet again. I got sunny side up eggs this time. Country potatoes, ham, toast. Dad's having omelets, bacon, ham. Yeah, ham and some bread. Cool. Are you gonna miss the buffets? Are you gonna miss the buffets?
No.
I am. This is Mom's breakfast. Scrambled eggs, bacon, beans, potatoes, muffin.
The usual.
Oh, and salmon.
Looking forward to returning home and having my sotong kering.
Oh, yeah, can't find sotong kering here. It's hard to find sotong.
Yeah, the sotong not nice.
Oh yeah, that's true. Not fresh. Yeah. We found this thing called stewed figs, and it's actually quite good. Mom must really like it because she's getting more today. Quite unusual for Mom. Stewed figs.
Unusual also. You can get it.
Yeah, I have never seen it before. Stewed figs. It's actually quite good. Fruit to finish off my dessert. See, I'm cutting down. Only one plate.
Good. Good, right?
Maybe it changes color.
Yum.
Yeah. Try bite into it. See, show them what's the inside. Hey, that's the inside of the stewed fig.
Slightly different from the
Normal one. Try steam the ones you can find in Sing. See how it tastes. Because I don't recall seeing.
fresh one.
Can't get fresh.
Unless you plant it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just because there's nothing worth recording today, I don't think. This is us leaving the room at 8:20, earlier than expected, but oh well. Might as well wait at the airport rather than have a line at customs. Yeah. Last look at the ship. My first cruise since the Rasa Sayang when I was 8 or 10 years old. Quite fun. Quite fun indeed. Wave goodbye to the ship. And on the shuttle on the way to the airport now. These are the folks behind me. Yeah. Cool. We We've got about 3 hours inside the airport before we have to board the plane. So here are the folks shopping at the airport or just looking at stuff to whatever's available. I'll get it later, closer to the gate. They got some nice chocolates and all that. If you want the chocolates, I can get. We can go. We're going to Walmart anyway, so they sell these also.
Yeah.
Now we're drinking coffee. 10:30. Oh, only funny thing was, a guy asked Papa, "Do you need a wheelchair?"
I say, yeah, I do need.
First time.
I think the other guy has got Hopkins disease.
Probably, yeah. Something lah. Paraplegic or
Yes.
something, yeah.
But
Yeah.
that was very nice of the son to bring.
Was it the son?
Must
I'm
be
guessing,
the son, who wanted to- it looks like the son.
Getting a little light lunch because it's a 4-hour flight, so we're not gonna have lunch basically. So we're gonna have udon, which is also a shorter line because Burger King's line is right around the corner. That entire line is for Burger King, and the udon line is a heck of a lot shorter. This is the shrimp udon,
The shrimp like
and then the chicken udon. It's basically the same thing except with chicken and shrimp, the same soup, everything. Taste wise, it's okay lah.
I wonder why
Yes.
Big Mac is not.
Big Mac?
Yeah.
Oh, McDonald's?
Yeah.
Maybe it's not at this terminal because this is S terminal. There are like 4 or 5 other terminals. So Pizza Hut and McDonald's might be at the other terminal. So it just depends. Udon not bad lah. The soup is, I'm sure, got a lot of MSG and all that lah. Tasty. And here we are on the plane, taking off. That's Seattle. You see below. Yep, that's Seattle. We're saying goodbye to it. And next stop, Minneapolis, in about 3.5 to 4 hours. Folks are tired and they're sleeping. And okay, that's all I have. Well, back in Minneapolis, almost. Nothing but open fields of green grass. Not much, not much housing and lots of legs. Back home right now. Huh? No need, that's soy sauce, don't worry about it. It's about what, 10 o'clock now? 10 past 10, yeah. We're home. Folks are tired, so we got Chinese from Mandarin Kitchen. This is fried rice, shrimp fried rice, kailan, and salt baked chicken. The salt baked chicken is actually very nice. I like. Yeah. So that's dinner. Another late dinner. And that's at the PC.